Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Gems in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser and go to Gemini, then log in to your account. From here, you want to click this menu icon and choose Gems. Now, this is where you'll find different built-in AI tools designed for specific tasks. You can click on Show More to see the full list of available gems. Now, let's try one example. Let's choose this career guide. Click this. Now, this one is actually designed to help you unlock your full career potential with a personalized plan designed to sharpen your skills and help you reach your professional goals. So once you open it, just type in a question or maybe just choose from these. Let's say I'd like to improve my presentation skills. Let's click this. And once you do that, Gemini will give you a clear, easy to understand explanation. It basically breaks down complex topics into simple answers, which is super helpful for studying or learning something new. And that's really how gems work. Each gem is built for a specific purpose. So instead of giving general prompts, you can use these tools to get more focused and useful responses. So yeah, Gemini Gems basically act like a specialized AI assistant that help you learn faster, work smarter, and save time. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!